Bikes. Bordeaux is a very bike-friendly city, and there are several bike rental companies that offer guided tours of the city and the surrounding countryside. The Bordeaux National School of Architecture and Landscape. It is a prestigious institution that was founded in 1969 and is one of the most respected architecture schools in Europe. One interesting fact about the Bordeaux National School is that it is known for its focus on sustainable architecture and landscape design. The school is committed to promoting environmentally responsible design practices. Another interesting fact is that it is known for its strong international connections and has partnerships with other architecture schools and research institutions around the world. Shopping. Bordeaux has a vibrant shopping scene, with many high-end fashion boutiques and local shops selling wine, cheese, and other specialties. Pont-Bondel is in Bordeaux. It is a vertical lift bridge and one of the tallest in Europe, inaugurated in 2013 and an iconic landmark that connects the city center to the port area. Food and wine. Bordeaux is a food and wine paradise renowned for its exceptional cuisine and world-class wines. There are many Michelin-starred restaurants that offer innovative and sophisticated takes on traditional French cuisine. Whether you are a foodie or a wine lover, Bordeaux offers a unique and unforgettable gastronomic experience. The City of Wine. It is a cultural center in Bordeaux dedicated to the history, culture, and diversity of wine. It features interactive exhibits, wine tastings, events, and a restaurant with a rooftop bar. Visiting the city of wine in Bordeaux is a must for anyone interested in wine culture and history. Discover Bordeaux, a city that offers a unique and unforgettable experience. From world-renowned wines to rich cultural heritage, indulge your passions and experience the celebration of life, beauty, and joy. Come to Bordeaux and see for yourself.